Hello, hello. This is MoonAscensionTarot. I am Kim Moon, and we are gathered here today to acknowledge the new moon in Sagittarius. This energy reminds me to be playful, to not be so serious about circumstances and situations that I'm dealing with. And this is not to be like naive or just to make small or make things small or reduce things down in my life, but it's to give me a different perspective. You know, we all have different hardships and obstacles that we have to overcome, different challenges that we face, and this energy, Sagittarius energy, is a reminder to lighten up a bit, you know, not to be so hard on ourselves for what it is that we are enduring or going through, overcoming. This is an invitation. This is an invitation to be playful, you know, to be lighthearted, to laugh about a situation. You know, it can be dire or grave, but just still being able to laugh. You know, and I guess this can even be like laughing at yourself, you know. We all have imperfections. We all have weaknesses. And there's times where we don't have to be so sensitive about these things to where we can't joke, we can't laugh at ourselves, you know. So give yourself a reason to smile, to laugh. Do something that's playful. I also feel like this is an invitation, this energy, the Sagittarius energy, is an invitation to be honest with oneself. Yes, I just talked about, you know, the element of laughter and being light, but this is also an opportunity to be very honest about what it is that we're doing, where we're headed, what has been working, what hasn't been working. I also feel like this is an invitation to stretch yourself. And bringing this back to the first point of being able to laugh at yourself or laugh at a situation or bring a lightness to a situation, a hard situation. You know, it causes us to be uncomfortable when we have to stretch, you know. But stretching, we stretch as a way of protecting ourselves, as a way of preparing ourselves, you know. And so that we don't get injured when we are moving, when we are acting, you know. So I feel like this is an opportunity, an invitation to stretch ourselves, to have a different perspective as we stretch ourselves, as we become, as we develop, as we climb higher, as we mature. Okay, we're gonna look to the tarot for a little insight and perspective. I have teeny tiny tarot here. It's just the major arcana. See what it may want us to, and I was gonna take that out. Take the card, but the Fool. Sagittarius energy has a lot to do with faith. Believing in something bigger than yourself, something outside of yourself. Sagittarius is also an energy of optimism. I feel like this card is it serves as a reminder to keep that childlike wonder as we start or begin something new, as we are learning, or mastering ourselves, mastering an area of life. It's important to keep that childlike wonder. Know that we will make mistakes. Know that we will get injured. Know that things will hurt, but we still can continue. We can still keep pushing forward. And to also know that taking this leap, this leap of faith, think about the bigger picture. Looking at things from a bird's eye view. Yes, it may hurt in the moment, but realize how this will progress you, how this will aid you on your journey. So letting go of short-term thinking and to think long-term. Like, what is this all for? What is the big picture? The Fool. Hope, optimism, pushing forward. All right, this will conclude today's meeting. If you like this, if you enjoyed this content, like, share, comment, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out.